Okay, so remember the exercises that I gave in the WhatsApp. So today we discuss, but I don't want to. I mean, I'm not going to teach. I mean, I'm not going to review or the answer. Okay, I want you to the ones who doing the the working. Okay. Okay, so I want you to do the working. So I may call you your names over here in this class. So let's see if you really understood the way to do the projectile motion or not. Okay, so let's start with number 1. So ball rolls off with velocity of 4.0 meters second from the top of the building. If the ball takes 5 seconds to reach the ground, okay, what is the height of the building? And B, the distance of the ball from the base of the building. Okay, so A, this one, I'm calling somebody, Sito, Sito, no lah. Wen Yan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what will be the first step to solve
S
this question?
equal to UT plus 1 over 2AT square.
S equals to
UT
plus
1 over 2AT square.
Okay. Before that, you have to determine, is it horizontal or vertical? Which one you use?
I use the horizontal one.
So this is horizontal, Okay.
No. Vertical one, vertical.
Vertical. Okay, so it's a vertical. Okay, S then continue.
S equal to
S equals to
0 plus 1 over 2 times 9.81 times 5 square.
times with
5 square.
5 square. Okay.
The answer is 122.625 ms negative 1.
So this is the answer. Is this your answer? Hello?
Yes, this is my answer.
Okay. So remember, this is 2 significant figures. This is also 2 significant figures. So answer will be how much?
12 times
12.
10.
1.2 times 10 power of 1, 2. 2. Right. Right not?
Yes.
So this will be the 2 significant figures. Okay. S is distance, right?
Yeah.
S is the distance. Yeah, S is distance. So now you're saying that
meter only, right? Meter only, sir, not meter per second.
Yeah, meter. So in meter. Okay. So next, I think this is correct already. The distance of the ball from the base of the building. Okay, so this part I will call Nicholas. Nicholas?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
B. For the
Is it the
working.
distance of the... Wait, wait, let me get my notes.
Hmm. First of all, you have to determine are they use vertical or horizontal.
Horizontal, sir.
So this is horizontal.
Hmm.
Okay. Then
Why horizontal is y equals negative g. Negative y equals negative g time, not times. What, time, wait, yeah, times t square over 2.
T square over 2.
Is no, times t square, sir.
T square. Okay. Written there T
Over,
square over 2.
no, the over 2 is with t square, sir.
Oh, over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It does make any difference or not?
Yes, sir, because we don't want to divide the g.
G. So you want the 2, we mean the 2 will not be divided by the G.
Yes, sir.
So it's not same as negative G T square over 2. Is this not same, right? This both of them?
I don't think so, sir.
I don't think so. Okay. Who's teaching you maths? Who's the teacher? For me.
No, it's a
Who's the teaching you maths? You forgot already.
Puan Go, sir.
One go. Okay. So, okay. So what will be the answer? Okay, first of all, I have to say that this is wrong. First, in horizontal. Okay, who knows? Anyone here in the class who knows what is wrong with this? The first working, it was the first step. Anyone here knows what is wrong? Put in the chat also can. What is wrong here? The first thing. X equals to ut. X equals to ut. Say by when yen. Okay. Any of course is there will be the answer of it. The concept. Anyone knows what is wrong? Anything wrong here?
Anything wrong with what? The Nicholas's equation. I don't
Yeah.
know what is wrong with it because I don't know. I don't think it's right.
You don't know what's wrong and you don't know what's right.
Just use. I don't know what he's writing as well. I don't know how he got there. Nicholas, you
Okay.
just
I think I
use
used the wrong formula.
No, I don't even know where you got this formula. You just use the displacement formula. The vertical one, but you're using it for horizontal. You see the
Okay.
S equals U plus 1 over 2 AT squared. Use that for horizontal.
Okay.
Means A equals to 0 lah. So S equals UT. Or in this case, since it's the X component, X equals to UXT.
Okay, you are correct. Actually, the concept is wrong because when you say the horizontal, acceleration will be equal to 0. There are no acceleration at the horizontal motion. When we have a projectile motion, I always stated that, I always stress that we have in up, down, we have acceleration that is G9.81. But in left and right, acceleration will be equal to 0. So when you say that horizontal, acceleration will be equal to 0. So G over here is 0, right? So if you say that this is the working, the formula that you want to start with, when G equals 0, 0 equals times with T and times with 2, so Y is also 0, right? So the concept is wrong already over here. Okay. So I know that the Nicholas want to say that it's using S equals to UT plus 1 over 2 AT squared. You still want to use this one. It is correct for horizontal. Horizontal use as X UX 1 over 2 AT squared. Right. So when we say that A is 0, so A over here is 0, the one term over here is already cancelled out. So half times 0 times 50, everything will be 0. So leaving out with the one we Yang said, that is Sx equals to ut. Can you see? It is the same as the Yang said. Okay. So Nicholas, continue with
Sir.
this working.
X equals ut. So
So
initial
Sx equals
velocity.
to ut. Initial velocity.
Initial velocity would be 4 meters per second.
So 4.0. And t is
T is time. So time will be 5 seconds, sir.
5 seconds.
5.0.
So the whole thing will be
20
20 meter.
meter.
Okay, 2 significance 20 meter. So it means that from it was falling down, well, it was through light from the height of building. So this one is 20 meter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any question? You have 6 here. First, it is easier if you have a smaller class, 6 person. Any question? Don't
No,
be
sir.
ashamed.
This one
to
I can
ask.
understand.
Okay, this one you can understand. Others? Others?
I think no question.
No,
No questions, sir. Now.
Okay, no
Okay,
question.
sir.
Okay, so the concept, remember, when it is horizontal, there are no acceleration. Left, right, there are no acceleration. Unless we have we're saying that it is affected by the air resistance. Next, okay, let's see. Number 2, a cricketer throws a cricket ball to other player with velocity of 30 meters second at the angle of 30 to the horizontal. Find the time taken to reach the maximum height. Okay. Who will be the one? Xander. Xander is right here. Okay, Xander.
Yes, sir.
What will be the first thing to do? A.
Find the U sine X.
Use sign.
X. U sine. So U sine theta. Sorry. So it's
sine
30
theta.
sine.
Now the first
30 sine
thing, are you using horizontal? Are you using vertical? Which one using now?
the vertical.
Vertical motion. Okay, so I write over here vertical motion. Okay, now use sine X equals to
Then 30 sine 30.
equals to 30.
30 sine 30.
So 30. This is what we have to make a complete equation. Use sine theta equals to, or
Use
something equals to what?
V equal U plus AT.
V in
The
which
equation
direction?
for
V in X
V
or
in
Vy?
V in X.
V in X. Vertical motion V in X.
Sorry, V in Y. Sorry.
V in Y. Okay, V in Y. Use sine theta. Are you sure it's sine theta or cos theta?
Sine theta. Sine theta. Sir.
Sine theta.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
Use sine theta plus AT.
So you'll be 30
30
sine
sine
30 degrees. Okay. Then you have
15.
how much?
15.
15
1 5.
meter per second. Okay. Next.
Then the equation V equal to U plus AT. Then when in maximum height, the V is 0.
So X maximum height, X maximum height, Vy equals to 0. So 0 equals equals to
equal to 15 plus
plus
15 plus negative 9.81 multiplied by t.
by t.
Yes, and t is equal to 1.529 seconds.
15
29
29
second.
second. Then the significant figures.
Significant.
This is 2. This is 2.
2. So 1.5 seconds.
1.5 second. Okay. Next, okay, the horizontal range. Okay, for horizontal range, let's call iron. Iron, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, horizontal range.
Answer. Horizontal range. Okay. Range should use S, right? Range is the distance, right, sir? So S equals to same formula should be S equals to UP plus.
So you have to determine either vertical. You want to use vertical or you want to use horizontal. First step.
Horizontal.
Horizontal motion. Okay. Next, then you can start. Next thing is
S equals to UT
UT
plus AT squared.
1
half
over
AT
2 AT squared. Okay.
So U is 30. Yeah, U is 30 meter per second.
U is 30 meter per second.
Yeah.
So this one is 30 meter per second.
Okay. 30 cos 30, sir. 30. Yeah, 30 cos 30. 30 cos 30.
30 cos 30. Okay. So 30 cos 30 degrees. Okay.
Then time is 1.5 seconds.
1.5. Why you pick 1.5?
Wait. This is for the maximum, so not 1.5. Should I take this again?
So if we leave the 30 cos 30 in, wait, if we leave the 30 cos 30 in 15 square root 3 can answer, or do we have to leave it like the 30 cos 30?
You mean 30?
Yes, sir. The S
And then?
equals that. But if we leave it in a, if we calculated it and then we leave it in 15 square root 3 can answer, or do we
15
have to
square
leave
root
it?
of 3.
Yeah, because that's what 30 cos 30 equals to.
Yeah. In physics, what will be counted for marks first is this thing, this one for formula. And then when you do the working, okay, this is not counted. And then when it's down there, for the answer, there is 1 mark for 2 marks. Okay, but if you leave like this, nobody cares unless you multiply everything and then you have a different answer. So my answer is my advice is they didn't see what is happening here. Either you want to cos 30 or you want to put in 30 square root of 15 over 30. It didn't care. Okay, what they care for the markers is what will be the formula over here, this top, and what will be the answer over here. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so continue. Who is it? So what?
Me, sir. Sir, I think we need another formula for T, right?
Another formula for T.
So can do like assume when we cannot.
Okay, so in this one, it didn't say the how. Okay, I think you will imagine that this is a cricketer, and then like this, right? Correct or not? So because of the question didn't give you the height of the cricketer, I mean that the when the ball was struck, what is the height? This height, right? So assume that it was a perfect projectile motion like this. Okay. So if you have projectile motion, perfect projectile motion, when the height, the maximum height here will be 2 times the t. So this is t from this point to this point, the maximum height, and the maximum height uh, to the ground is also one more t. So the whole projection is 2t.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
All right, so we take T as 3 seconds.
Yes, 3 seconds.
All right, thank you, sir. So,
Hey, answer.
sir, okay. Answer is how many? 7.8 times 10 power 1.
How much?
7.8 times 10 power 1.
Power 1. Okay, meter. Okay, so I think that is answer. Any question? Others? Others? Any question?
No, sir.
No? Okay.
Wait,
Nicholas?
sir. This one can use quadratic, as in like the y is equal to 0. Then we've got two values of t. The first t is at 0, and then the last t is at the end there.
So it
Then we
means
use
that
the n. We use the
y
nt
equals to
for the
ut plus 1 over 2 at squared. Right. This is a quadrant,
and y
t squared.
and quadratic, and then y equals to 0. Then t got two value.
But you have a for vertical motion. This is vertical motion. Yes, you can use it
Oh, I can use it now.
for vertical lah.
No, Sito, but the horizontal, right? The A is 0. So
No, this
Yeah, I'm
one
using
vertical.
for vertical.
You say vertical.
vertical. Vertical. I think. Can I think. Oh.
But it is you can use this one, but it's really long. It's longer. It takes time longer. Unless
Never
it
mind,
given
let's
you
say
the age.
got calculated.
No, I mean the age over. If
Yeah.
given age, I mean the height of the ball when it strike, then you can use this one actually. It's much more details. But because the question didn't give you the height of the character, so it will assume that it was starting from 0 here and end at the 0 y0 and y0.
I overcomplicate something again.
Unless,
Okay.
but if the question give you the height, then it will be the one you have to use the one that you are working. I mean, your working should be fine. Okay, so next question. Actually, throws a shot put. This is shot put. You know what is shot put? The one you play with the steel ball and then you have to throw a very heavy ball in the field where you have to throw. You have to put near your neck, that steel ball, put your neck, and then you have to throw it. This is called a shot put. Okay. So throw shot put, angle the shot put, hand. That this one is the one you were asking. So you have a ball that is 2 meters from the ground, and it throws in the projectile motion here. So angle to the horizontal is 42 degrees. 42 here, and speed is 20. Okay. Speed is 20 meter per second. Height 2 meter. Time taken to the shot put to fall back to the ground. Okay. So A, time taken. Who wants to try? I think, who is it? Seto.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The time taken to reach the ground. First, we use the vertical motion, so y component. And since it's 2 meters up there, we're going to say y equals -2. Because y equals 0 will be at the 2 meters there. So when the ball touches the ground, it will be -2 meters from the original height.
Okay, so the question is?
The time taken. So we use the equation will be S equals to UT plus 1/2 AT squared.
T plus 1/2 AT squared. Okay. So vertical,
S,
everything is SY equals to UY.
UY.
T plus 1/2, this is
1/2
9.81 negative T squared. Okay.
squared. All right. Now we say SY equals to -2.
Yes. Why we call it -2? Because
it's going to touch the ground at the
okay.
that point. How do
So
I explain
if you have this kind of question, you take the baseline. This is called a base. Okay.
Base.
Going up, positive. Going down, negative. Right. So the 2 meter is actually pointing downwards. So there you have -2. Okay. The S, the displacement is pointing downwards. That's why you have -2. This one, negative UYT.
UY will be 20 sine 42 degrees.
20 sine 22
42 degrees.
42 degrees. Oh, running out of time. Okay, never mind.
Oh, I think
42
still.
degrees. Okay.
And then T will be the first T.
T, and then?
Right. Then -1/2. Minus 4.905.
4.905 T squared. Okay.
Then
you have coming with quadratic equation.
Yeah.
Okay.
First will be the T. We factorize T.
Oh, factorize T. Never mind, give me the T.
Okay, I just give you the T. The T is 3.14 seconds.
3.14 seconds.
The other one, T equals to 0. All right.
Okay.
So we use 3.14 seconds.
So 3.14 is the answer.
The answer is 3.14.
Okay. Correct. Any question from your friends? Any question here? No, no question, Okay. So everyone is clear. B, coming back to Wei Hen. B.
X equal UT.
X equals to UT.
So U is 20 cos 42.
20 cos 42.
And the T is the 3.14.
3.14. So answer?
Yeah. Wait. 46.7.
46.
0.7. Yeah, 0.7. 0.7 meter.
Or 47. Two significance, right? Two significant. This is 2, this is 2, this is 2.
Oh, yeah.
So 47 meter. Okay. Any question, others? No. Okay, no question. Number 4, biangular. Okay. A basketball player throws a ball 60 degrees to the horizontal at the net 4 meter away. Height of net is 3.3. Height of the ground. We goes back to Weng Yan. Xiang Weng Yan. Initial feet of the ball.
Yes, sir.
So this is the basketballer, basketball player, he throws to the net, 60 degrees. Okay. Net is 4 meter away. Height of net is 3.3. Height of the net is 3.3. This is 3.3, but this one is 2.0 meter. Okay. Initial speed of the ball. Okay. You can start now. The working is?
First, use the horizontal motion. 4.0 equal to u cos 60 times t.
Okay.
T equal to 4.0 divide u cos 60.
Okay.
Then now use the vertical motion. 1.3 equal to u sine 60 times t.
1.3 equals to u sine?
U sine 60 point t times t.
This is
minus.
I mean vertical motion. This is formula from where the formula came from where?
For the
This is
S
virtual.
equal to ut plus 1/2at square.
Okay, so the second, okay. So you continue. This is 1.3 equals to u sine 30.
U sine 60 point t times t minus 1/2 times 9.81 times t square.
Okay.
Then sub the t into the vertical motion.
Okay. Then
U equals to 7.467 meter second negative meter per second.
u equals to
7.467 meter per second. No, 7.467.
7.467. Okay. Okay, so that will be the answer. Any question?
Yes.
From your friend? Any question, anyone here? No question. Okay.